know you too well to fall for that trick again. Oh, hold on a sec, guys. My partner just came downstairs. Hi, honey. It's late. Aren't you tired? Just wanted to hang out with me? Are you sure? I know you have trouble sleeping sometimes, so if you need me by your side, I can get off now. Darling, you don't have to worry about that. I love my friends, but you're always my first priority. Besides, it is getting late. I really don't mind. You like watching me play? Well, in that case... Come on, under the blanket with you. You can lean your head on my shoulder if you want. And there we go. Nice and cozy, huh? Yeah, it always feels good to cuddle with you. Do you mind if I keep talking to my friends on the mic? I can just mute if it makes you more comfortable. Okay, I'll stay muted, but let me tell them first. Alright. Hey guys, I'm gonna be muted from now on. Sorry. I'm still playing. We aren't done with the round yet. What game am I playing? Ah, well, it's a game called Overwatch. Well, Overwatch 2 to be exact. It's a multiplayer PvP game where we're split into two groups to fight each other. There are tons of characters you can choose from with different classes like tank, DPS, and support. I mainly play DPS or support. The interesting thing about the game is that there are tons of different game modes that you can play. There are different maps too. And I'm rambling, aren't I? You don't mind? You like how passionate I am when I talk about games that I like? Oh, thank you, darling. No, don't worry about that. We're not playing ranked today. We're just playing some casual quick play for fun. I promise you aren't an interference. If you were an interference, you'd be the cutest one I've ever seen. Alright. But on a more serious note, I love it when you take an interest in the things I like. And I hope that you know that I always try to take an interest in your hobbies as well. You always manage to surprise me with how much you know me. But darling, did you just... that was a misstep. No, don't worry about it. If a kiss from you was what cost me that game, then I'd be glad to lose a lot more. I'm not mad, I promise. But I am going to smoke these guys next round. You tired? Alright, rest your eyes for a while. Actually, why don't you put your head in my lap? Don't worry, I promise I won't wake you up if that's what you're worried about. Ah, right, totally not going to sleep. But still, it'll probably be more comfortable than my shoulder. And there we go. Rest for a while, my dear. Nice, thanks for the save. Okay, sleepy time. Nice kill. Nice, good job, guys. Nice kill. Sleepy time for you, Roadhog. Okay, I'll heal you back up. Nice old soldier. Nice. Oh, this sombra. You still awake? Just resting your eyes, huh? It's alright. You need the sleep. I'll be right by your side when you wake up tomorrow, my love.